One of the best features about cloud hosting is how easy it is to resize your server as the resource requirements of your web application grow. Although we're conducting this demonstration on Linode.com, the concept can be applied to any cloud hosting provider. You might recall that when we initially signed up, we selected the Linode 1 GB plan. Say we wanted to go from this package to the Linode 2 GB package. All we need to do is log into our account. Under the Linodes tab, click the dashboard link corresponding to the MyLinode server. This is the one we want to upgrade. Now click Resize. Select the new package. We want to upgrade to Linode 2048. Next, click the Resize this Linode Now button. The entire migration process is automated and takes about 20 minutes. The system will automatically shut down our Linode in order to do the migration. And we can see the status under the Host Job Queue heading. We can see from the status that the entire migration is now complete. I'll refresh the page. We might need to log back in because the session is probably expired. So we can see under the storage label that our disk size has increased and we now have 24,576 megabytes free. So what we can do is either increase our current disk size or create a new disk altogether to make use of the new resources. We can also see that our network monthly transfer has gone up to 3,000 gigabytes. And so you can see just how simple the migration process is.